Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our new spoken English video. In this video we will start practicing English listening. If you want to speak in English, you must do three things. First, listening, reading and writing. তোমাকে ইংরেজি প্রত্যেক দিন পড়তে হবে, লিখতে হবে এবং তোমাকে ইংরেজি শুনতে হবে। সো আমাদের আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা তোমাদের জন্য একটা প্র্যাকটিস ইংলিশ লিসনিং দিচ্ছি। তোমরা এই ভিডিওটাকে মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনবে, কানে হেডফোন দিয়ে ভালো করে মনোযোগ সহকারে এই ভিডিওটাকে শুনবে এবং এতে কি বলা হচ্ছে সেটা তোমরা ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য ভিডিও। ওকে, সো আজকে তোমরা শুনতে থাকো এবং প্র্যাকটিস করতে থাকো এবং পরবর্তী ক্লাস পর্যন্ত অর্থাৎ আগামী 7 দিন তোমাদের এটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক, এটা তোমরা প্রত্যেকে প্র্যাকটিস করবে। ধন্যবাদ। তো তোমরা এবার শুনে নাও।
It's a big day today. We have a new neighbor and we're all very excited. Well, Jane and I certainly are.
You ready? It's 7:15.
What time does the film start?
7:30.
Okay.
He's nice.
He's very nice.
But not good looking.
He is good looking.
It's nearly 7:10. Who's that?
New neighbour.
That's a nice car.
I bet it's fast.
That thing, that's slow.
It's very expensive.
It's cheap.
Is it? Oh, yeah. And it's horrible.
Let's say hello.
Now?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Helen.
I'm Simon.
And I'm Jane.
Hi, Jane.
Come in and meet the others.
Okay.
This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Simon.
Hello.
And I'm David.
Hi.
Would you like some tea or coffee?
Oh, yes, coffee, please.
Matt, can you?
What? Oh, yeah. Sure.
Milk, no sugar?
Right.
Let me give you a hand.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
So where are you from, Simon?
Newcastle.
David's from Manchester.
Oh.
I'm from London.
I'm from Brighton.
And Matt comes from Birmingham.
What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for McDougall's, the publishing company.
I'm a drama teacher.
David's a lawyer.
And Matt runs a computer game shop.
What about you?
I'm a journalist.
Really? Where do you work?
I work in London for a sports magazine. Do you know Workout?
Know it. I buy it.
Really?
Sometimes.
Hate being late for films.
Biscuits.
No.
I go to the office most days, but on Wednesdays and Fridays I work from home.
Here's your coffee.
Oh, thank you.
The film starts at 7:30.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't
Oh,
realise...
don't worry. The cinema's only 10 minutes away.
Come on, Matt, let's wait in the car. Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Tell us about your job, Simon.
Oh, okay.
The film starts in 1/4 hour.
Where are they?
What do you do at weekends?
I play tennis, watch football, go to the cinema, go to clubs.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Jane?
It's okay. No, I don't, actually.
More coffee? Jane?
Hang on, I've got an idea.
He doesn't have a girlfriend.
He likes tennis.
But he also likes football.
And going to the cinema.
It's David.
The film starts in 10 minutes. Say goodbye to your big, boring boyfriend and hurry up.
Just a moment. Helen, it's David.
I really like Simon. Unfortunately, Jane likes him too. But I'm not sure if David does. Breakfast is usually a quiet time in our house. But not always. Good morning.
Morning.
What? Oh, sorry, morning. Where's Matt?
In bed. Why?
He owes me £10.
Oh.
He doesn't start work until 1 today.
Oh, yeah. Okay, see you later.
You need some breakfast. Have a slice of toast.
Good idea. Can I? Thanks.
Hey, it's my toast.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy my breakfast.
Hello?
Matt, it's Jane.
Hello?
Matt? It's Jane.
Hi.
Listen, Matt, I need your help. I can't find my purse and it has my cash card and everything in it. I think it's in the kitchen. Could you look for it?
Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm in the kitchen.
Can you see it?
No. Sorry.
Is there anything on the table?
There are some plates, there's Helen's mug, but no purse.
How about on the work surfaces?
I can't see it. There's only the newspaper.
Could you look under it?
Okay. I've got it.
Oh, thanks, Matt. I was really worried. Can you put it on the kitchen table? I can pick it up later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. My keys! I don't believe it! Matt, answer the door, please.
Tenant and Low, David Price speaking.
Oh, David, thank heavens you're there.
Jane, what's wrong?
Everything. First I couldn't find my purse, so I couldn't get any money from the bank. And now I'm outside the house and I can't find my keys.
Where's Matt?
He was at home before, but he's not here now.
I can't get away at the moment, but I'll try to come back in about 20 minutes. Is that okay?
That's brilliant. Thanks, David.
No problem. See you later.
Bye.
Are you okay, Jane?
Oh, Simon. Hi.
What's the problem?
I don't have my keys. They're in the house. But I think I can get in through that window.
No, you can't. It's too dangerous. I'll do it.
Okay. Thanks.